It's another new month, but we briefly want to discuss on what trend in the month of June. Nigerian real estate market is changing rapidly, but not every location is growing in the same price. Nigerian real estate is appreciating, but not every location will appreciate. If you are planning to invest in Nigeria, you are planning to invest in land, property, rental property, commercial real estate, or agro-real estate, market updates could save you from making costly mistakes on what we'll be sharing in this video. If you're just coming across my video, I am Ola Osegbodo. This is where we talk about the pro and con of real estate. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Recently, industry reports indicate that Nigerian real estate market is expected to experience uneven growth throughout 2026. While some locations will experience rapid appreciation due to infrastructure, economy activities, and demand, and others may remain stagnant for years. Today, I'll be breaking down what you need to know and how smart investors can position themselves before price appreciates. Number one on my list is uneven growth. Uneven growth. What does this mean? Uneven growth simply means that not every city, estate, or community will appreciate at the same time or at the same rate. Some locations will enjoy massive infrastructure development, good road network, increased commercial activities, high demand for housing, rapid land values, while some locations will never experience that. Do you get it now? As an investor who is ready to make money in real estate, you need to know how to position yourself. While other locations may struggle because of poor infrastructure, limited government investments, weak economy activities. These are the reasons why some locations will experience stagnant, they will not appreciate, low housing demand. Some locations that people are not even moving to, there's no industry, there is nothing, low population growth. How will that location appreciate? As an investor, this means that investor can no longer buy land in those areas because the return will take time, except if the buyer is not ready to expect any huge return. Location has become more important than ever. We all know before, everyone want to buy cheap land, everyone want to invest in real estate, agro-real estate, but at the same time, you need to know what you need to put in place before investing. Infrastructure will always drive property price. One of the biggest trends in the month of June is that infrastructure is becoming the strongest driver of property appreciation. If there's no infrastructure in one corridor, just imagine Lekki some years ago, some areas of Ogun State, areas benefiting from good road, bridges, rail projects, industrial parks, airports, commercial development will always attract investors. Why? Because infrastructure creates accessibility. Accessibility now will create what? Businesses. Do you get it now? Businesses now will create job. There will be a lot of job opportunity here and there, and job opportunity will attract more people to come to the area, and people now will demand for house. This is how things works. As an investor, so we need to position ourselves for the right time, not just because the people are rushing, not just because that infrastructure it has been proposed isn't going to happen. Because if jobs are created and people are attracted by job, house demand will be increased, and house demand now will increase property value. This cycle has played out repeatedly across Nigeria because Lagos remain Nigeria investment powerhouse. Either you are from north, east, south, you need to come to Lagos before your market or your business can work. Lagos continue to dominate the real estate market because of the ongoing infrastructure projects and strong population growth. Demand of house is crazy. Location benefiting from expanding road network and commercial development will continue to attract investors like Ogun State. Different people are moving to Ogun State. They just want to acquire land so that they can build factories. However, smart investors are now looking beyond ordinary expensive location. Many are focusing on, and that is how you need to focus. As an investor, you need to focus beyond expensive location. Focus on what will give you return on investment. Corridors that have good infrastructure and that is still affordable. These are the locations you should look into that have strong long-term returns. One of the best locations is Ogun State. Lagos State does not have any land again. Ogun State is becoming a serious investment destination. If you know, you know. Are you talking about agro-real estate? Are you talking about industry? Are you talking about, just name it, Dangote is coming there. Ogun State continue to gain attention because of the industrial expansion, manufacturer company. Better connectivity to Lagos State, affordable land price, good documentation, affordable documentation, growth residential demand. People are moving to Ogun State because Lagos is becoming expensive. Many investors now should see Ogun State. How investors should see Ogun State? They should see it as an opportunity so that they can expand. And Ogun State is an expansion of Lagos for businesses and housing. As industry expand, demand for residential and commercial properties is expected to grow. Technology also is part of what is trending in the month of June. how you can make how you can visit the site without seeing it, how you can verify your documents, making researches online without visiting the site. You can even verify your document digitally. These are the trend in the month of June. Preferred locations, some of them you don't even need to visit those locations before you invest, because they will always deliver. That is why technology is there for you. And also work with a reliable real estate agent, consultant, companies that is ready to deliver, so that you can verify your properties online. Technology is improving. Transparency is now made easy. Property can be transacted fastly. Investors living abroad can use this opportunity to create more. Opportunities to invest without fear, without traveling frequently. All what you need is just to have someone who you can trust at high extreme. You can reach out to us for that. Another thing is why investors should be selective before investing. These days, buying of land, selective. Buying of land these days, simply because it's cheap, are gradually disappearing. People don't want to buy land because it's cheap. Before buying any property, ask these few questions. What are the infrastructure coming to this place? Is this place experiencing population growth? Is there any development about the infrastructure? Are business moving here? Is government investment in this location? Is documentation secured? Is it acquisition lands? What will create demand in the next 5 years or 3 years? Ask them, because successful investors will not just buy land. They want to buy the future, where the future is secured. Not just because today price is low, but they want security. They want where they can see return on their investment. And there are a lot of challenges facing real estate. This is part of what is trending. And what are the challenges in real estate market? Despite the opportunities in Nigeria, some real estate sectors is facing several challenges, from rising construction costs. Inflation is killing us. High cost of building materials, from roof, blocks, cement, just name it, electrical parts, plumbing. Foreign exchange is killing. High financing cost, even to build 3-bedroom apartment now. One of my investor that we are trying to build hostel around the Lasso and Lasso Stake. We want to build just 18 units. We know what we want to spend, close to 300 million. Also, this election that is coming, pre-election uncertainty, will also affect investors' confidence. They don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. This factor may slow down growth in some property segment, while others continue to perform well. So, as an investor, you need to choose wise and choose smartly. Biggest opportunities is everywhere, and investors should pay close attention to land banking in some corridors. Affordable house projects too, that you can do. Also, commercial properties near industrial zone. These are the locations you need to put in place to consider. Also, don't forget to invest in agro-real estate, because it's going to help you a lot. Because agro-real estate is one of the key places now to make money. Property renters in high demand areas too. These are the opportunities. This sector is expected to remain attractive as Nigeria population and urbanization continue to increase. As an investor, you need to be selective and know what you are doing. The biggest mistake investors make is following the crowd after the place have already increased in price. Because my friend has planned Lekki or some social place and it has appreciated, they want to invest there. And also, as we have biggest mistake, we also have biggest opportunities. The biggest opportunity often comes from identifying growth corridors before becoming popular. Make research, do your due diligence thoroughly, verify all land titles. It's going to help your investments. Understand the infrastructure plans, if it's going to work in the next few years, if you can wait. Think long time. As an investor is not the kind of person that will invest and will be expecting returns in next year or upper year. It's a long time investment. Even if you want to invest in property, lands and property, it's a long time, it's not short time. Real estate is not about buying the cheapest land. It's about buying the right location at the right time, because everyone has recognized its values. If you are investing today, your property should become a significant, more valuable over the coming years, because you don't want to buy property where you will not be seeing good return. If you're just coming across my video, I am Olaosebo. Don't forget to like, comment and share. From Abraham's Property and Real Estate, I wish you nothing but long life with property with good title, and your comfort is our priority at Abraham's Property. See you on our next video. I love you. Bye.